Hello, I'm Demetria Graves, Certified Family Law Specialist in Pasadena, California.
I'm Kelly Robbins. I'm also a certified family law specialist. I practice in San Francisco.
And the topic of our video today is how to plan for and handle the emotional aspects of your family law case. Kelly, why is this important?
Well, it's so difficult physically and emotionally for someone to go through a divorce or legal separation. So I tell people right up front, be mindful of that. Be sure you keep your exercise program, keep your friends close by, and a lot of other important things that we're going to go over right now. Well, Demetria, people would wonder, why can't I just talk to my lawyer about all that and the emotional issues?
Well, the issue with talking to your divorce lawyer about your emotional issues is most divorce lawyers are not equipped to deal with the emotional aspect of a divorce. We are trained to handle paperwork, to know the law, to represent you in court, to deal with opposing counsel, but we just don't have the tools to effectively assist you with the emotional aspect of what's going on.
So Demetria, what should people do to prepare for the emotional elements of a divorce or legal separation?
When you know you're going to get divorced, I think it's important to set in stone who your support system is going to be. And then not necessarily someone who's been through a divorce before, because that can get you in trouble, but someone you know that's going to be there for you, to walk you through it, to listen to what you're going through, and that's going to support you. I think it's also important, if necessary, to get a therapist, someone that's trained in dealing with people going through this situation. Also, please, this is one of my biggest tips for my clients. Do not follow your soon-to-be ex on social media. Not only not follow them, but do not engage with them in a negative manner on social media.
That's so important. So what people don't realize is, because this is such an emotional time to end of a relationship, that they want to have the judge aware of all the nuances and some of the difficult emails that go back and forth, or what someone said to you. But you have to try to check your emotions and realize the best way to handle the emotional elements is to treat the divorce process like a business transaction. Don't spend money and resources talking to your lawyer about how difficult emotionally it is. Of course, we understand and relate to that, but it's best to use your resources as understanding the finances and the logistics of the divorce process, and keep the emotions in check as best you possibly can.
Agreed.